Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. And today we're going to have a mukbang. I already made a cook with me video with that. So we are not going to show because it's just a continuation. I'm just going to make a mukbang so I can eat with you guys. And I haven't done an English one in a while. This one is the kimchi mixture that I always eat. And the wine is the same wine with the cook with me video. But if you guys didn't see the cook with me video, this is the wine. It is from Walmart and it is Raven's Glen Blackberry Wine. And it is great. It tastes good, you guys. Alright, so let's dig in. This is my Lenten meal. And since it's a Friday, we're supposed to eat. We're not supposed to eat meat. And we are going to eat once a day. And this is my one meal a day. Whoops. Since I'm going to be doing this until Easter comes. I already said grace, so we're good on that. If you guys don't know the prayer, it goes, "Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts, which we are about to receive from thy bounty, through Christ our Lord. Amen." Alright, you guys, let's dig in. This is just shrimp and lobster and vegetables. And I usually eat mine with rice. And it is piping hot. If I don't put enough seasoning, I add fish sauce. I got the container from the Dollar Tree. I just put the fish sauce in there. Just in case. Hold on, you guys. I gotta pause you for a minute. Alright, you guys. I had to close the window because I was cooking earlier. And I also am drinking the Arizona green tea from the Dollar Tree. This is a tag. And of course, the wine. You guys can omit whatever you like. If you don't drink, you quit drinking. Whatever. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. I can tell you who to suck it to. Okay. It's up to you guys if you don't like drinking or whatever. Oh yeah, here you go, guys. Cheers. I don't even know. Can you guys see? There. I had to make sure you guys can see the video. Holy smokes, it's smoking. Okay. Okay. 100% pure love. So I didn't really get to talk to you guys much on the Cook With Me video. So like I said, I hope you guys are in good spirits. Also preparing your spirits. Because, you know, this life is not promised. Tomorrow is not promised. But, you know, don't let anybody ruin your happiness. Do what makes you happy. Because life is too short to be miserable. I hate to say this to you guys, but that's the truth. You know? Nobody else can tell you how to live your life. Only you can. Nobody else makes decisions about your life but you. And what's the odd thing about this is, whenever I was shopping at Walmart, I saw my old co-worker, my old boss, and wanted to say hi to her so bad. But she looked like she was real busy doing her work, so I didn't really want to bother her. I wanted to tell her how much I miss her, but, you know, I'll just end up crying over there at the store. So I didn't really say anything. But we both kind of understand each other, and we both kind of know how things can get messed up. You know? Anywhere you work, there's going to be stuff like that. That people, you know, it's not really necessary to know what the hell is going on. Because it's just, it is what it is. Even though you want to know what's going on. But at least I know she's in a good place. Because I know they pay better. Probably not as better as what she used to get paid. But, you know, money is not important. What's important is your peace of mind and your happiness. Let me get some scissors. I don't mean to bag on the place that I'm working at, but I already told Phone Jones where I work at and how long I've been there. She knows because she was live one time and I told her. If you guys don't know Phone Jones, follow her. She has another channel, Gossip, BK Gossip. BK Gossip Girl. Yeah, I've known Phone Jones for a good bit since I started doing YouTube. And she's awesome because she already has another channel. And that channel has grown exponentially. Her other bigger channel. It's like she gossips about news about what's going on nationwide. She just gossips about them. She talks about them. And then she has her Phone Jones channel where she does, sometimes she shows up and then she does videos, she does hauls. But before, we all started as Dollar Tree hauls. But you know, you get tired of it after a while. It doesn't mean you're not shopping at the Dollar Tree. It's just, you just pick up the regular stuff and you don't really find a whole ton of new stuff. So there's nothing really to rave about. Especially if the area you're in doesn't really get a whole ton of different things. Which is in Ohio, we don't. Most of the good stuff goes to Maryland, California, Florida, New York. Places like those. You guys get the good stuff. But as far as us here in the middle, yeah, no. We get okay stuff, but not as good as y'all. I mean, I share anyhow because I want you guys to know how lucky you guys are wherever it is you are. But it's no big deal. You know. It is what it is. And I was telling her where I've been working. And she said, wow, you work over there? I was like, yeah. They don't even pay that much. Like, they suck. But, you know, that's where I need to be, and that's where I am. If it changes, oh well. What can you do? There's really nothing you can do. But they don't... if you're a worker at the Dollar Tree, they don't really pay anything. So there's that. The only way you'll get up there to where you get an okay pay is if you become a manager. But everybody else, they're paying the same amount. You know? They're all paying you the same price. 16, 13, 14. Go to where you guys get paid more. Especially if that's the only main source of income you have. But it's not my main source, so I'm not too worried about it. I just wanted to experience it and tell you guys all about it. Because I know we're in the Dollar Tree family. Like, gas station jobs even pay more. So there's that. If you guys are really looking... Alright, you guys, so I don't know how long I was talking since you guys got cut off. But I just checked it. And it got cut off. I'm still working on this mukbang. Okay. So it's still going. But anyhow, I was talking a lot about careers. Job opportunities. Being in the service. Being a soldier. Especially in this day and age. It's really hard, you guys. So whatever path, career you guys choose, do it well. Because whatever path you choose, it's going to be hard. But the point is you do it well and you just do a good job. That's it. That's all you can do. Whether your career is in computers, your career is in politics, your career is in science, you just do a good job. And like I told you guys, I don't know what part of the video got cut off to when I was talking. But I was talking about a lot of stuff. That's for sure. I got shit all over my jacket. Do what makes you happy and do a good job. Doesn't have to be excellent. Just do a good job. Do an honest day's job. You know? I know it's hard. Doing good and being good is hard and it's boring. But that's life. There's nothing you could really do about it. It's easy to do bad things and it's fun to do bad things. But if it's not going to benefit anyone, then you shouldn't do bad things. You know what I mean? I don't know, you guys, but I am plumb full. With this soup. My seafood squash soup. It's freaking amazing. I don't even know how I came up with this. But it is delicious. Yeah, you guys gotta give it a try. Get you a bag of shrimp, some vegetables. Lobster, coconut milk, pumpkin puree, squash. Oh my God. It is heavenly and it is to die for. But I'm going to have to call it quits on this video. I can't eat it anymore. And that's the last glass of wine I'm going to drink because I still have to go to the store. And I'm going to have to pick up a few things. Not a whole lot. Just a few. I'm going to have to wash it down with this Arizona green tea. Probably chill out the rest of the time. I'm going to clean this up, but I can't, excuse me, thank you Lord, I can't do it anymore, guys. I know it seems like it's not a lot, but there's like 2, 4, 6 pieces of shrimp in this bowl. I can't do it anymore, you guys. I am plumb full. That's why I don't understand why mukbangers, like real mukbangers, like hardcore, they can eat the they can eat the whole thing. And I'm like, dude, I am full. From the beginning of this video till the end of this video, this. Ooh, excuse me, Lord. Excuse me, you guys. Okay. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 6 shrimp in here. I cannot eat it anymore. That's why some of the mukbangers, I wonder how they do it. But whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe they don't eat for 3 days. And then they do a mukbang video. Or they don't eat for a week, a month. I don't know how long it takes them to eat. Not eat anything. Because I eat on the daily. Even though I don't feel like eating it, I have to eat something on the daily. Because I need energy to get to work, to do stuff, to drive around, things like that. Or else I wouldn't be able to do the things I do on the daily. So with that being said, I'm going to leave this alone for maybe tonight. Or maybe tomorrow. Because I'm only supposed to eat one full meal a day. And I'm already full. See? So there goes my full meal for today. I mean, we're allowed to snack. But usually I don't snack. This is it. And they said for Lent, what do you give up? And things like that. I've given up a lot of things. I'm pretty much by myself here. And doing things on my own. So I've sacrificed a lot of things. So from now until Easter, this would be my life. On Fridays. Now on regular days, I could eat meat 6 days a week. If I want that. But it'll be one full meal a day. That's it. So since I'm already plumb full, I'm going to quit eating. I'm going to leave that for tomorrow. Or whenever. And I'll be done with it. If I get hungry, like super hungry, it depends because I take medication too. If I get hungry, I might snack on something. But highly doubtful. Because I try to stick to the rule as much as I can. Now, I've sacrificed a lot of things, other things. So I'm not going to deal with those up until Easter. I mean, I don't shop extra. That's my main thing. Is like I'm like a shopaholic. But for necessary things. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed our mini mukbang. And you guys are enjoying your Lenten season up until Easter. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.